Welcome to Nothing Pretty Break Tutorials. This short video series, we're going to cover the most basic footwork, step outs, kick outs, bicycles, and shuffles. Let's get started on step outs. It's way easier to learn this by standing first, so stand up. You're going to start by stepping out from the center and then step out, step back into the center. Then go ahead and play with the distance and the angles you're stepping out from. You go to the side, as you can see, you can go to the back, and you can go to the side, make sure you give it some sway, start to put a little bit of swag in there, and then boom. And you can also step out with 1 foot, you don't have to do 2 feet, okay? Breaking is all about mixing it up. Let's take it to the ground. You find yourself in a squat position. Look at where my hands are, they're next to my feet, they're under my shoulders, they're not over there. No, that wastes energy. You don't want to waste energy in breaking. When you get more creative, you can play with the distance, but that's when you're strong, okay? That's when it doesn't matter, all right? Cool, start with stepping out, just like you did standing up. If you want to get good fast, I recommend drilling this 20 times on both sides, okay? What I'm showing here is being aware of how you move your hands across your body to switch sides and how that can affect your balance and how that can affect your style. Also take a look at my arm as it's out in front. That's to help keep my balance and my shoulders in front as well. Okay, just like you practice from standing, start stepping out, playing with the angles. Oop, step back, nice, sick. Oh, I stepped up, wow, mixing it up big time. Ooh, am I dancing yet? Not really. There you go, boom, 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 ooh, fancy. Nice, go down, sick, ooh, went through the legs, through the body, sick. Oop, gonna a little spin, a little bow for you. There you go, I'm done. All right, next.